Good morning. Let's see how the volume is today. But it's a little bit quiet. Okay. Good morning. I'm Kari Capone, and I am the founder of The Spinning Hand. And wherever you are in the world today, welcome. It is so nice to see you, whether you're at work or at home, and whether it's cold out or hot out, we are happy to have you here. We have a few things to talk about today. I'm going to keep it pretty short and sweet because it's December. It is the holiday season. We are all gearing up, especially in the US, for Christmas. Hanukkah has just ended. So, for those of you who celebrate, I hope you had a very happy Hanukkah. And especially if you make knitted and crocheted items, this is a busy, busy, busy time of year to get all of the gifts ready. So I wanted to just show up on Facebook and on YouTube today. If you're watching this on the replay, hola. And I just wanted to tell you about our latest kit. So this is our Learn to Knit knitting kit. And I have to tell you, I did sort of a soft launch on Etsy, and they have been flying off the shelves. So I said, okay, obviously there's a demand. We're going to put something together so that you can just, give someone a gift to unwrap for the holidays, either welcoming them to the wonderful world of knitting or welcoming them back. So the kit comes with one skein of yarn, which is self-striping. And so it's a really satisfying knit for someone who's just getting going. It's not like boring the same color over and over again. And it's this beautiful yarn. It's called Alta Truth, and it's 80% merino, 20% baby alpaca. And it's very easy to work with. You can use size 7 needles, which is a nice, not too small, not too big size needle to start with. And this is what it makes. One skein makes a gorgeous long garter stitch scarf, which if you're an experienced knitter, I know that this is no big deal for you. But imagine if you are first learning to knit for the first time, to have this in your hands and say, I made this, is an amazing thing. So if you are ready to give someone the gift of knitting for 2022 and beyond, you can head on over to thespinninghand.etsy.com and you can find our Learn to Knit kit there. It is $35. It comes with yarn, it comes with needles, and it comes with my Learn to Knit ebook, which is a about 100-page ebook with over 75 photos showing you step by step how to knit. So I'll ask Jess if you would be so kind. You're the best. So thank you. So the link is in the comments in our Facebook group, and then we'll also put the link underneath the YouTube video. So again, that's our Learn to Knit kit. It's only $35, and as you know, if you shop on Etsy a lot, that's free shipping in the US. So that's really great too. And it gets you this gorgeous skein of merino and alpaca. It gets you wooden knitting needles to get started. And I forgot to mention, you also get a yarn cozy to hold your yarn so that it doesn't roll around. And you get the free Learn to Knit ebook and a scarf pattern to go along with the ebook. So it says, cast on. Well, what does that mean? Look at the ebook from pages 1 to 10 or whatever the pages are. So we give you markers every step of the way. So great for you if you are getting back into the world of knitting, and great as a gift. A lot of people have been asking, can you wrap this up? Can you include a gift card? The answer is yes. So you can put all that information in your Etsy order, and we will ship it on out as soon as possible. Speaking of shipping, next Monday, I think is the 13th, that is the last day that we can guarantee shipping in time for Christmas using regular mail. So after that, you're going to want to ask for priority mail and expedite. So just so that there's no concern. So if you're on the fence about ordering one of our products, definitely you want to make sure, and over the weekend, get your orders in, and then Monday I will be shipping everything regular and with total confidence that it will get to you in the US in time for Christmas. And after that, we really highly recommend that you check off priority or expedited shipping so that it's in your hands in plenty of time for the holidays. So one less thing to worry about. Good. So the next thing I want to talk to you about is our Kit of the Month Club. This is a new subscription model that we have at the Spinning Hand. And for a very limited time, in fact, I think next Monday is the last day. It might be the 15th. I think next Monday is the last day. It is. Monday is the last day for all of this. So Monday is the last day for regular shipping. And Monday is also the last day for this offer. So if you buy our 3-month Kit of the Month Club, then you will get a free kit delivered to you in December for either yourself or for a recipient to unwrap. And I'll be shipping those out next week. So Jess, if I can trouble you to put that link on as well, you'll get a free kit in December. And that is our Alta Truth hat and mitt set kit. And then you'll get a kit shipped to you or your recipient in January, February, and March. And you can take a look at some of our other videos for some little sneak previews. We don't want to give away too much, but they're just really satisfying luxury yarn sent to you every month with the patterns that Jess or I have created, and full color printed patterns. You don't have to download anything. And project bags. So we have a bag every month to keep everything together, and then some extra goodies. So we're always adding those. And I especially love, thank you, Jess. So buy 3 kits, get 1 free. The last day to do that is Monday. And so the link is right in the comments. And again, on the Facebook video, we'll put the link below the video. Okay, so we have our Learn to Knit kit. We have our buy 3 kits, get 1 free. Now, if you are a gambling man or woman and you want to figure out how you can win all 3 of these kits for free in 2022, then here is the link that you go to. And so let me show this. Perfect. So if you want to join our giveaway, we are giving away all 3 kits that we will be sending out in 2022. And you just have to go to thespinninghand.com/giveaway and enter. No purchase required. It's totally free. And guess what day this giveaway is ending? Monday. So Monday is the day. Monday the 13th is the last day. We'll be announcing the winner on Tuesday. And that lucky person will win all 3 knitting kits, 1 in January, 1 in February, and 1 in March. And it's up to you. If you win and you want to share with other people, great. But we won't tell if you keep them all for yourself. That is totally fine. So those are our announcements for today. And if you wait, honestly, like if you wait to see if you win the giveaway, you won't get that free kit in December. So that's the chance you're going to take. I will tell you that lately we've had about 300 people entering our giveaways. So not 300 entries, but 300 different people. So those are your chances in case you want that, in case you want those odds. Yeah, and it's such a delight sending you these kits. I mean, I am the luckiest woman in the world because I get to do what I love for a living. So I get to send you these kits that we've just put together with so much love and care and attention. I put on my music in my studio and I just, put everything together and add little notes to our subscribers. And, you really get to know people through this process, which is not something that most e-commerce businesses can say. So I'm really grateful to you, to my subscribers, and to people who just tune in and watch every week. So thank you. I hope that you're having a really peaceful holiday season. I know this time of year can be difficult sometimes. And so I'm just sending you a virtual hug, and I really hope we can meet in person someday. And I hope that your 2021 is coming to a really peaceful, warm, connected conclusion. So blessings to all of you, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.